People often ask me if they can contribute to the Mixed Reality Toolkit, and the answer is yes. In fact, Oculus Quest support came to the Mixed Reality Toolkit from a community contribution. Now, there are several ways that you can contribute, and they're all outlined in the contributing overview page. You can submit bug issues, documentation issues, feature requests, and even new features. What we do ask is that you adhere to our coding standard. Now, to get started, you'll need to fork the MRTK repo and create your own branch. From there, you can add in the bug fix or the feature, and then submit a pull request once you're ready. You also need to ensure that the bug fix or the feature works as intended on all platforms, and add tests as well to validate the bug fix or the feature. Also, documentation is essential, so ensure that you are documenting the bug fix or the feature within alignment of our documentation guidelines. So if you have an idea or you want to provide any feedback or have an issue, definitely reach out. We want to hear from you.